Unlock the secrets of protein-protein interactions in cells and tissue. MolBoolean is a novel in situ proximity technology developed by Atlas Antibodies that enables the simultaneous detection of both free and interacting fractions for two protein targets.
Traditional approaches to study protein-protein interactions in cells and tissue have in the past been unreliable due to the need of using engineered protein expression systems or lyse cell material. The introduction of in situ PLA enabled detection of endogenous protein-protein interactions in cells, but it still lacks information on the fraction of non-interacting proteins. We know that the dynamic mechanisms of protein-protein interactions in cells are heavily dependent on the spatial location, but also the abundance of the respective interacting partners. Therefore, for in situ protein proximity studies, it is pivotal to not only understand the number of interaction events, but also the number of ingoing components. Working closely together with Professor Ola Söderberg at Uppsala University, we have now developed the MolBoolean assay, a novel in situ protein proximity technology for the simultaneous detection of both interacting and non-interacting fractions for two protein targets in cells and tissue. MolBoolean relies on dual target recognition with proximity probes and generates rolling circle amplification products to increase signals, meaning that even low abundant proteins can be detected. On top of that, by performing a series of proprietary molecular steps, MolBoolean differentiates between amplified products stemming from individual versus interacting proteins. And this is indicated by the binding of one or two separate fluorescent detection reporters. The more comprehensive extraction of information provided by MolBoolean enables normalization of your interaction data to total target protein levels. Therefore, MolBoolean will add more confidence to the interpretation of your protein proximity data. It can be used for basic research or in drug discovery to study cell signaling protein interactions in health and disease and how these may be modified by drug intervention.
The MolBoolean kit utilizes a series of unique molecular steps. Unlock the secrets of protein-protein interactions in cells and tissue with MolBoolean. Complete spatial quantitative analysis of protein-protein interactions by simultaneous detection of free and interacting proteins. Accurate quantification by normalization of interaction data to total target protein levels. Biologically relevant data without need for engineered protein expression. 1,000-fold increased fluorescence signal by rolling circle amplification, allowing detection and quantification of low abundant proteins. Adaptable to different research needs. Universal kit that can be used with the customer's choice of primary antibodies. Validated in both cells and tissue. Explore a new frontier of protein-protein interaction at atlasantibodies.com.